This video is going to show you how to descale the Smeg Espresso Coffee Machine. The coffee machine needs descaling when the steam button flashes orange. The warning will be displayed every time the machine exits the standby status until the descaling cycle is performed. Starting with an empty tank, fill the water tank with a solution of water and descaler following pack instructions. Remove the filter holder and position a large container underneath the dispenser and a steam wand. With the machine on and ready for use, hold the steam button down for 10 seconds until the orange LED light has a fixed light. Turn the steam lever anti-clockwise. Press the steam button to start descaling. The button will start to flash. The descaling cycle automatically performs a series of rinse cycles at intervals to remove limescale from the inside of the coffee machine, continuing until the tank is empty. Remove the water tank, empty any remaining liquid and rinse it out. Remove and empty the containers before replacing for the rinse. Fill the tank with clean water to the maximum level and insert into its housing. Replace the empty containers under the steam wand and the dispensing unit, and check the steam lever is horizontal. Press the steam button to begin the rinse cycle. When the tank is empty, it means that the rinse cycle has ended and the machine goes back to ready status. Turn the steam lever to the off position. The machine is now ready to be used to make your drink of choice. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel.